Softbox Lighting Kit Photography Studio Continuous Lighting Equipment 20x27 inch E27 150W Bulbs 5500K Photo Equipment for Model Portraits Advertising Video Shooting Photography. Upgraded PET Reflector Material. The Softbox is made of high-quality PET and lined with silver nylon reflective material inside. Compared to common materials, our photography lighting softbox can better maintain good reflection performance, soften the light and remove the shadows. Energy-efficient bulbs. 2 PCS 150W CFL Light Bulb will save energy up to 80% and provide sufficient lighting. 5500K color temperature help you take perfect pictures. Lifetime approximate 8,000 hours. 210 degrees rotatable head adjustable stand, 210 degrees rotatable lamp head, 3-section design adjustable stand will meet your needs of various shooting angles. High-quality aluminum stand can shrink to 27 inch and extend to 70. Professional photography lights. Xumougen Softbox is suitable for various photography. Whether it's portrait shooting, fashion photo shoots, or still life shots, this softbox is easy to create the perfect lighting for indoor shooting, making photos more attractive. Satisfaction guarantee. High quality is guaranteed for all your choice. Our softbox promises you 30 days full refund and 1-year product guarantee. Softbox photography lighting kits create the perfect portraiture and so on. Xumougen Softbox Lighting Kit is as well designed to create the perfect lighting for various photography situations like portraiture, video shooting, product photography, and fashion photography, making photos more attractive. It is suitable for various photography, portrait photography, fashion/model photography, children photography, product photography, and so on. 150W Energy Efficient Bulbs. 2 PCS 150W CFL Light Bulb will save energy up to 80% and provide sufficient lighting. 5500K color temperature help you take perfect pictures. Lifetime approximate 8,000 hours. High reflective material. 2 PCS 20 inches by 28 inches softbox are made of nylon reflector and high-quality PET. Silver internal face minimizes light loss and white fabric cover softens the hard light, which will give you perfect even lighting when you're shooting. 210 degrees rotate. 210 degrees rotatable lamp head will meet your needs of various shooting angles. Fit for shooting portrait, children, still items and video. High-quality aluminum tripod stand, 3-section design adjustable stand will meet your needs of various shooting heights. It can shrink to 27 inch and extend to 70, not only good quality, but also easy to fold and carry. Specification, softbox size, 20x28 inch. Bulb power, 150W. Color temperature, 5500K. Input voltage, 110V. Socket, E27. Softbox rotatable angle, 210 degrees. Stand height, adjustable from 27 inches to 80 inches. Package list, 2 PCS 20 inches by 28 inches softboxes. 2 PCS 150W 5500K E27 bulbs. 2 PCS 27 inch to 70 stands. 1 large capacity bag.